Breed. Definitions: to keep animals for the purpose of producing young animals in a controlled way. Example: farmers breed their livestock to produce stronger offspring. Bring. To take or carry someone or something to a place or a person. Example: could you bring me that book from the shelf? Broach. Definitions: to begin a discussion of something difficult. Example: she decides to broach the topic of a race with her boss. Broadcast. Definitions: to send out a program on television or radio. Example: the news channel will broadcast the president's speech live. Broil. To cook something under a very hot surface in a cooker. Example: I prefer to broil my steak rather than fry it. Browse. Definitions: to look at information on the internet. Example: we spent the afternoon browsing through the antique shops. Bruise. Definitions: to develop a bruise or to cause someone or something to have a bruise. Example: he fell off his bike and got a nasty bruise on his knee. Brush. Definitions: to move something somewhere using a brush or hand. Example: make sure to brush your teeth twice a day. Buckle. Definitions: to fasten or be fastened with a buckle. Example: the intense heat caused the metal to buckle. Budge. Definitions: to change your opinion or to make someone change their opinion. Example: no matter how hard I pushed, the door wouldn't budge. Bub. Definitions: to rub an object made of metal, wood or leather in order to make it shine using a soft dry cloth. Example: she used a soft cloth to rub the silverware to shine. Build. Definitions: to make something by putting bricks or other material together. Example: they plan to build a new library in the center of town. Bulldoze. Definitions: to destroy building and make an area flat with a bulldozer. Example: the construction company will bulldoze the old building to make space for a new one. Bungle. Definitions: to do something wrong in a careless or stupid way. Example, he managed to bungle the presentation by forgetting his notes. Burn, to be hurt, damaged or destroyed by fire or extreme heat. Example, the chef warned us not to burn the garlic. Burnish. Definitions: to rub metal until it is smooth and shiny. Example, the jeweler will burnish the gold ring to make it look brand new. Buy. Definitions: to get something by paying money for it. Example, she decides to buy a new car after her old one broke down. Calculate. Definition: to judge the amount or value of something by using information. Example, she needs to calculate the total cost of the project before proceeding. Call. Definition: to say something in a loud voice, especially in order to attract someone's attention. Example, I will call you later to confirm the details. Capitulate. Definitions: to accept something or agree to do something. Example, after a month of negotiation, the rebels agreed to capitulate. Captivate. Definitions: to hold the attention of someone by being extremely interesting, exciting, pleasant, or attractive. Example, the magician's performance managed to captivate the entire audience. Capture. Definitions: to record sound or images or to express a feeling. Example, the photographer managed to capture the beauty of the sunset. Carbonize. Definition: to change or be changed to carbon by brushing, heating, or during fossilization. Example, the intense heat will carbonize the wood, turning into charcoal. Carry. Definitions: to move someone or something from one place to another. Example, can you help me carry these boxes to the car? Cast. Definitions: to throw something. Example, the fisherman cast his line into the river, hoping for a bite. Catch. Definitions: to take hold of something. Example, let's see if we can catch the last train home. Cater. Definitions: to provide and sometimes serve food. Example, the company will cater the event, providing food and drinks for all guests. Cavort. Definitions: to jump or move around in a playful way, sometimes noisily. Example, the children cavort in the playground, laughing and playing games. Cease, to stop something. Example, all fighting will cease once the peace treaty is signed. Cede, definitions, to allow someone else to have or own something. Example, the country was forced to cede territory after losing the war. In next tutorial, I will bring you English words with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos in notification. See you in a future video.